How to log into your Pinterest. Logging to your Pinterest is a very easy method, so let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your desktop. So we are showing you the desktop version of Pinterest login. So in the web browser, search for the official Pinterest website, and once there, simply tap on it. Now you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the login, then you'll have to enter your email address or phone number or the password associated with your account. Now enter your email address and password, and once your username and password are entered, tap on the login option available there. Or you can simply log in using the Google account like I did. Simply tap on the Google option available there, continue with Google, and you can log in very easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.